Imagine getting instant, note-by-note feedback every time you pick up a guitar, like a private tutor watching every string you touch, for free. SoundGate makes that possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 5 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what SoundGate actually is and why guitarists are switching to it. Then, exactly how to set up your first practice session. After that, how musicians are turning this into paid teaching gigs. And by the end, you'll know exactly whether to ditch your lesson budget for good. SoundGate is a free AI guitar tutor that listens to you play through your phone's microphone and shows every note you hit on a live fretboard in real time. It's for anyone learning guitar, total beginners to players stuck on a plateau. And it replaces the $40 to $80 an hour a private instructor charges, because the AI corrects your fingering and timing the second you play, not a week later at your next lesson. Here's exactly how to use it. Step 1. Download SoundGate Guitar free from the App Store and open it. No account, no credit card required. Step 2. Plug in your guitar or just let your phone's mic listen, then play any chord. The app instantly lights up the exact frets and strings you're hitting on a live fretboard with zero lag. Step 3. Tap Practice, and the AI tutor builds a custom routine based on what it hears you struggling with. Bad timing, missed frets, whatever's holding you back. Step 4. After each session, check your accuracy score and the AI's specific fix to work on tomorrow. Now, here's how you turn this into income. Guitar teachers are already using SoundGate as a between-lesson tool. Assign it as homework, then charge full price for lessons that focus only on what the AI can't teach, like feel, tone, and performance. That's how you keep your $50 to $80 an hour rate while cutting your prep time in half. If you don't teach, you can still flip this. Learn 3 songs fast with SoundGate's feedback loop, film yourself playing, and sell short, learn this riff in a weekend tutorials on TikTok or Gumroad for $10 to $20 a pop. Creators are already doing exactly this with other practice apps, and SoundGate gets you there faster. Let's talk pricing. Right now, SoundGate Guitar is completely free. Every feature, the live fretboard tracking, the AI tutor, the custom practice plans, all unlocked, with no premium tier yet. If you're learning guitar or already teach it, this is a no-brainer. There's zero cost to try it today. If you don't play guitar at all, this one's not for you. But it's worth knowing about before a paid tier eventually shows up. Are you learning guitar right now, or would you use this to teach? Drop your answer below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.